Hello guys, this is our newest pet. His name is, guess what?
Lucky.
Nope. And you?
Lucky.
Lucky? No, I know he should be called Lucky because they said black cat is bad luck. He can be lucky, but that's not his name. So what do you want to be his name, Grant?
Lucy.
What?
Lucy.
Lucy? Lucy is Italian name.
Pacman.
No. You know what his name now?
What?
His name is Maniga. Hey Maniga. This is Maniga. My new cat. His name is Maniga. Maniga with the blue eyes. This is Maniga. Maniga.
My miga.
Maniga.
Gusto niyo magbabae.
Maniga. Very
What?
cute.
Hey, what? This the
Mabot
name?
na.
This the
Hawakan mo,
name?
Abi. Very cute, Maniga. This is Maniga. Wow, very cute.
Wait. My miga?
Maniga.
Niga.
Niga. Maniga.
Nigra?
No, just Maniga. Not my nigger, it's Maniga.
Oh, nigra? Manigra.
It's okay.
Parang white.
Maniga. Hey, Maniga.
Pero parang hindi siya
Yo,
black
Maniga.
sa-
Sa ano,
Sa,
naging kulay green na rin siya.
I think because of the ano yata,
The light, the
reflection.
reflection of the light.
Wait, black ba siya?
Pero
It
black
looks-
talaga siya.
It's totally black. See? Oh, now it's just black.
Like the sky.
Oh, look at that. Ah, very cute.
Black talaga siya, di ba?
Ah. See? That's Maniga. Hey, Maniga, where you going, bro? Hey, Maniga. Hey, you little.
Sige, papasok
Hey,
na sila ulit.
yo, Maniga, my brother. Ah, stop hiding, Maniga. Why are you hiding there? Ala, pumasok na. This is Maniga. Yeah, Maniga, he's very cute. He wants to be with the other pussies. Open mo, Grant. He's going back to his mommy. Maniga.